It's Tony Becky and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you what I got at Dollar Tree. First, what I got is these candies and everything's $1. I already, my family already ate them, but these are all mine. There's 4 more left. So yeah, I got those. I also got these Sharpies. Blue and red, because there was only blue, red, and black. So I got blue and red to do this new dollar art thing. This is really, really fun. I already love this one. Whenever I had a sleepover with my best friend, Tina. Sorry about my voice. It's my... I'm sick. Okay. That's what I bought it for. I'm gonna do it right now. And I bought... sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, they also got these mechanical pencils. They come in, I'm not sure if this is pink or red. Like, the eraser's pink on top, but then, I don't know if you can see that, but it's pink on top, and then it's, red here, for the... You know, those things, the ones you can, stick them onto your shirt and stuff like that. I don't know what those things are even for, though. And on the bottom, it's, pink again. Then it's red there. You might not be able to see that. Then they got a purple one, a blue one, and a green one. Purple, reddish pink, blue, green and blue. And yeah, and then there's these, buttons for some reason. So yeah, that's what I got, and I'm actually going to eat one of these right now, because I'm hungry. So yeah. Guys, go there, because everything's only $1. Only $1. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to say, I think I forgot to say that these are Baby Ruth. So yeah, bye.